Hi everyone, this is Cam speaking and I'm running TechJourno, which is covering global tech startup and sustainability stories. This is my new format which is called In Short, and I am handling top tech stories of the week. And before starting the video, I will have a request from you. I'll be happy if you subscribe to my channel. Okay, now let's get back to the video. And my first story is coming from Amazon, and the company is expanding its Amazon Clinic virtual healthcare marketplace in all customers in the US. Amazon announced that the customers in all 50 states and Washington DC will be able to access licensed clinicians via video visits for more than 30 common health concerns, such as pink eye and urinary tract infections. Actually, Amazon Clinic launched in November 22 as a way to connect with users with healthcare providers. And Amazon Clinic does not provide the healthcare services itself, and instead it supplies a platform to connect telemedicine partners and users. To get treatment via the service, customers need to visit Amazon Clinic on the Amazon website or Amazon mobile app. From there, customers can compare response times and prices from multiple telehealth provider groups, complete an intake form, and then connect with their chosen provider. Depending on the state in which a customer is located, they can connect via messaging or video call without an appointment or insurance. Through Amazon Clinic's secure message portal or video call, the clinician will provide a recommended treatment plan, which may include a prescription. And my second story is about Foxconn and Apple's largest iPhone supplier. Foxconn is planning to build 2 new factories in Karnataka, which is located in southern India, at a cost of $500 million. The reason for the investment is Foxconn has been working with Apple to reduce its reliance on China by diversifying to India. Why Karnataka? The story at Bloomberg.com claims labor laws are slacker in Karnataka. On the other hand, at least one of the two plants will be dedicated to manufacturing components for Apple devices, including iPhone. And Foxconn is expected to formally announce the factories in a short time. Let me add that one of those factories will be employing 50,000 people, and it's expected to begin manufacturing in April 2024. And my third and final story is coming from Securities and Exchange Commission, in short SEC, which is the regulatory authority of the US capital markets. SEC has a new rule, and public companies are required to disclose within 4 days all cybersecurity breaches that could affect their bottom lines. There is an exception to the rule, and which is delays will be permitted if immediate disclosure poses serious national security or public safety risks. And also publicly traded companies should annually disclose information on their cybersecurity risk management and executive expertise in the field. The idea is behind this rule is that to protect the investors, of course. And this is all from In Short and TechJourno. I hope this video has been informative to you. If yes, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and post your comments below. Also turn on notifications to hear about the latest videos. Thank you for your time, and see you soon with videos. And bye for now.